Ayan, nakangiti. Ang dami namang kurit siguro nito, kaya nakangiti-ngiti. Ayan.
Tagal mo makakasali pala si Sia!
Ready na po, DJ?
Nakangiti na. Kinurot niya.
Hey, girl, you have a perfect body with a perfect smile. Perfect body with a perfect smile.
Pedal with your ex, move on to the next. Pedal with your ex. The only extra I want is extra money. No extra stress, no extra worries. If I don't
Okay, thank you, candidate na. Okay na po ba? Thank you, candidate number 9. Ayan. Parang meron pang gagawin. Tutula pa yata. Okay. Yan ang masaya.